What if you could automate your most time-consuming tasks and free up your team to focus on what really matters? Here at Automation Helpers, we've been using NoLoco to build portals and apps for our clients, helping them save countless hours on internal processes. But today, I came here to share with you, my friend, the most impactful NoLoco updates of 2024. So let's dive into this year in review for NoLoco. Hi, I'm Caio Calderari from AutomationHelpers.com. We help companies like yours get automated and grow by using industry-leading tools to build portals, apps, and integrations. If you want to leverage automation to help your business scale and grow, subscribe to the channel. So, in 2024, we've seen many no-code tools evolve and launch several updates. To be honest, I think that no-code is evolving quickly, and this is a very good thing for all of us. Because at the end of the day, these tools are here to stay and help us build faster and better each day. And my question to you is this: are you leveraging the power of no-code and automation to help your business grow and scale? Now, before we talk about all the updates that I've prepared to share with you in this video, let me quickly introduce you to NoLoco, in case you haven't heard about it before. NoLoco is a no-code platform we can use to build custom web apps powered by existing databases like Google Spreadsheets, Airtable, and other data sources as well. The fun part, all without writing a single line of code. NoLoco is designed to transform your existing data into interactive applications like internal tools, client portals, CRMs, and much more. It is ideal for businesses of all sizes that need custom web applications but lack the resources or technical expertise for traditional development. This includes startups, small and medium-sized businesses, and even enterprise teams. If you're looking to quickly build and deploy custom web apps without coding and want to leverage your existing data from sources like Postgres, SQL, Airtable, or even Google Sheets, NoLoco is an excellent choice. And by the way, we can help you do that. It simplifies the app development process, allowing you to focus on your business needs rather than technical complexities. So for instance, imagine your sales team needs a custom CRM to manage leads and track deals. With NoLoco, we can build that specific CRM tailored to their specific workflows and needs. And we can also integrate existing databases they might already have, which is really cool. Another example, we can build a client portal where your clients can access resources, track their project progress, and submit support tickets. This can improve communication between your company and your clients in an effective way. The possibilities here are really endless, so if you want to know a little bit more about how we can help you build that specific system for your business, maybe using Airtable, NoLoco, or other automation tools, access our website and book a free call. The link's down below. Alright, now let's jump into the updates because we have a lot to cover today. And I think you will like some of the last updates at the end of the video, so stick around for the best ones. Let's go back to January 2024. NoLoco has added help text on option fields. Now single and multiple select fields support help text for each option, providing greater clarity and context for users. A new image component allows you to add images directly to record and blank pages, which can enhance the visual appeal of your pages and provides a better user experience for your users. The attachment fields received a significant update with customizable layout options and sizing, improving both display and usability. Users can now easily download and delete attachments directly from the thumbnails. Now moving to February, custom icons were added for tabs and filter fields, improving navigation and making the interface more intuitive. They've also introduced the ability to summarize duration columns. This provides valuable insights into time tracking and resource allocation. A copy to clipboard action was added to simplify copying dynamic text like IDs, URLs, and email addresses. Help text was added to fields in the details and highlights components, giving users more guidance within the app. Also in February, they've released Build Mode 2.0, a major update and redesign, featuring a dedicated pages editor, revamped customization panel, and a new tabbed panel system for improved workflow and organization. They've also released Data Table 2.0. Data tables were redesigned, similar to a Google spreadsheet-like UI, and now it's easier to edit and use with native copy and paste functionality, integrations with external data sources like MySQL, Postgres, and Airtable as well. New top navigation options were also introduced alongside the existing side nav, offering greater design flexibility during launch week day 3. And a new notice component was added for displaying alerts and messages on record and blank pages, with customizable variants for primary, secondary, success, warning, danger, and also content and action buttons. External links were added to the sidebar. Address autocomplete functionality was integrated using Google Maps suggestions, and a new workflow action integrated Docs Automator, allowing users to generate PDFs from NoLoco data using Google Docs templates. This enabled on-demand or automated document generation, customizable file names, dynamic and static placeholders, and support for pre-filled line items. Now tell me, how are they doing so far with the updates? Were any of these features useful for you in 2024? Let me know. Enjoying this video so far? If so, click the like button. That makes a huge difference for us. Now moving straight to April. Live Sync for Airtable. This one is a great new feature, especially if you use Airtable, and here we do. So we liked this one. Real-time synchronization with Airtable was implemented, eliminating delays and ensuring instant data updates between the two platforms. Workplaces were introduced to improve app management, sharing, and collaboration. Features included renaming workspaces, inviting new members, managing workspace plans, and adding multiple workspaces. The NoLoco dashboard was also updated to display apps created by the users, apps belonging to their workspace, and apps they were invited to as a builder. Another nice new feature: NoLoco apps could now be converted into progressive web apps known as PWAs, offering a native app-like experience in web browsers. PWAs can now be added to home screens, support native push notifications, and work across various platforms like iOS, Android, Windows, and macOS as well. How cool is that? Highlight coloring was introduced to add visual guidance to apps. Users can now change the color of fields within highlight cards based on specific conditions, improving the visual representation of data statuses and priorities. Whoa, I think April was a great month for NoLoco. What do you think? Now, what about May? Well, let's see. Lookup fields were introduced to connect and display related data from different tables, enhancing data relationship and consistency. A new e-signature field was added to collect signatures directly within NoLoco apps, offering cost savings compared to third-party solutions. The container component was introduced to improve page layouts by grouping multiple components, supporting visibility rules, and enabling flexible layouts. Now let's talk about June. CSV import functionality was improved to allow linking records using values, for instance, using email addresses instead of IDs. New workflow actions were added for automated invitation emails and user deactivation. Record colors were introduced to improve data visualization by assigning colors to record based on conditions. There were a few UX improvements as well, like hiding collection components if no records exist, mobile layout improvements, new container component grids, faster action buttons for forms, GPT-4 support in AI workflows, and support for importing full name, phone number, and address fields as well. Now my question is this: are we done with updates by now? Is that all? The answer is no, my friend, not yet. September is the next month we are gonna talk about. A new Add Comment action was added to action buttons, allowing users to quickly add comments or notes to records, either with fixed dynamic text or via modal, for manual input and file uploads. Workflows could now be triggered when comments are added to records, enabling automated notifications, Slack integration, and keyword-based actions. Dynamic SSO was introduced for the Enterprise plan, allowing configuration of multiple SSO providers and hybrid logging systems. Now, if you've waited so far for the latest releases of 2024, let's talk now about November. One of the latest features released is AI-related. AI-powered formula recommendations were introduced to simplify formula creation and modification. So now you can leverage AI to help you build formulas while building with NoLoco. Also, a new filter by empty value feature was introduced to help you easily identify records with missing data. New Loom and Vimeo video embedding support was added, enhancing video integration options alongside existing YouTube and MP4 support. Now you can use different types of video formats and sources while building with NoLoco. This one is nice. They've added a new navigation action button to allow users to scan barcodes and directly open associated records. This is a great feature, especially for workflows and tools that help with inventory management or if you need to scan barcodes. Is that you? Now, as a bonus for you, my friend, I want to recommend this video here created by them, where he introduced some of the features that I talked about on this video as well in a little bit more depth. The link to watch this and other NoLoco related videos if you want to keep learning more about NoLoco are here on the description section of this video. So make sure to keep watching more videos here on the channel. Hey my friend, if you need help building a project at your company, or if you have any questions, we are here to assist. Visit our website at automationhelpers.com. We are offering a free 30-minute consultation call with our experts. Visit the link down below and book your call today. And that's a wrap, my friend. Happy New Year, enjoy the holidays, and let me know which one of these features you liked the most. Now, if you want to keep learning more about automation to grow your business, we have a lot more content here on the channel. Keep watching more amazing tutorials we've created just for you. And let's automate your business.